Lipat naman tayo sa football. Motivated ang 10-man delegation na lumipad patungong Barcelona, Spain, kung saan sumailalim sila ng training camp sa patnubay ng mga world-class coaches at athletes sa larangan ng football. Para sa detalye, narito ang report ni teammate Meg Siozon.
Fulfilled at motivated ang 10 napiling junior football athletes na lumipad patungong Barcelona, Spain matapos sumailalim sa prestihiyosong week-long training sa FC Barcelona Youth Academy kamakailan. Nakasalamuhan ng mga Pinoy booters sa mga well-respected personalities sa larangan ng football, tulad na lamang ni former Brazil Barca player and legend Juliano Belletti, kung saan ibinahagi niya ang mga makabagong teknik sa sport.
So the kids got exposed to the Barca methodology. So it's a brand of Barca and how they play, primarily more focused on attacking and possession. So but more than just the attacking and possession style, what we liked about the program was the focus on values. So some examples of that are the importance of teamwork. So Barca is known for the tiki-taka style of play where there's interpassing happening amongst the different players.
Samantala, bagamat kinapos, ginulat ng mga Pinoy athletes ang mga young talented players ng Fundación Marcet Football Academy sa isang friendly match, 4-6, matapos tumikada ng 4 na goal sina Daniel Cagaanan at Brian Del Medina sa huling bahagi ng labanan.
So happy and proud na naka-goal ako. 2 scored from kicking the ball through the goal, and I'm so very proud of myself.
My strengths ay yung kaliitan ko. Dahil po magiging mabilis ako, di po nakikita ng mabilis po. At yung speed po.
Lalo namang na-motivate ang 10-man delegation na pagbutihin ang kanilang training sa football nang mapanood nila ang kanilang mga idol sa banggaang FC Barcelona kontra Betis sa La Liga match.
My FCB idol is Messi because we both are short and he's really good. So I want to be like him. And I'll be like him if I keep working hard and keep grabbing opportunities like this one.
So by exposing our players and helping them or allowing them to watch a match of their idols live, we hope that this experience will really inspire them to be like their idols, to train very hard, to work for it so that they can reach for their dreams.
Mula dito sa Makati City, Meg Siozon, PTV Sports.